Hi guys, I'm John Davis. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel from a personal account to a brand account. Okay guys, so this video is basically, like I've just said, it's about changing your YouTube personal account to a brand account. Now, why would you want to do that, I guess? Different reasons. It all depends on you, what you're trying to present, what your channel's set up for. So one of the reasons I want to do it is I want to kind of get across a little bit more about what my channel's about. And especially for things like when you're leaving comments on videos, I think it'd be good for people to see that you've almost got that brand name. So I'm changing mine from John Davis to John Davis Digital Introvert. So at this moment in time when I'm recording this, that's kind of what I am. So I'm getting started with digital marketing. I'm an affiliate marketer. I build sales funnels, I build web pages, that kind of thing. So what's the reason you would change from a personal account to a brand account? Now, as far as I'm aware, and I've done some research on this, I don't think it makes a difference in terms of the YouTube algorithm. I don't think changing to a brand account is going to get you 500 extra likes or more comments or more organic kind of outreach by YouTube. I don't think it makes any difference for that. So if that's what you're trying to achieve, as far as I'm aware, and I've checked what the big guys say, and I can't find anything that kind of would recommend changing it for that. I think it's just a personal thing. So I've always had my account set to my name, John Davis. That's kind of my brand. I'm very much about self-branding. So at the moment, I'm an affiliate marketer. I also build websites, build sales funnels, and do various things with digital marketing. And what I want to do is I want to build that brand so that people say, oh, John Davis can do that, and be known for something. And then long term, maybe 5, 10, 15 years down the line, I might have my own courses, and by then I might have an audience. I might have people that will listen to me and trust me. More fill them. But either way, you don't know where this thing might lead. So I think it's important to build your brand and just be the face of your own channel. That's the whole point of it, isn't it? YouTube gives us this amazing opportunity where people like myself who are introverted and quiet and inwards thinking and don't like to look silly, don't like to take chances on things, it gives us the opportunity where in the comfort of my own home, I can create a YouTube channel, I can get started, and I can build a business online. So it's pretty amazing. I've said before in some of my other video's the future. It's something like 82%, over the next year, 82% of information we consume on the internet is going to be video. Look at the way that you use your phone now. Look at the way that you use your devices. It's all becoming video, video, video. There's still a place for other forms of digital marketing, don't get me wrong. Blogging is still an excellent option, but video is key at the moment, and that's why I created my YouTube channel. Now, when I created it, all I wanted to do was say, I'm John Davis, let's just go for it. If I look an idiot, I look an idiot. I can do that at the best of days anyway, so let's just go for it. And then as time's evolved and I've started to get my confidence and I've started to build on certain things, I'm kind of finding my voice a little bit now, and I'm trying to build my business to the next level. As that's happening, I'm realizing that there's certain people that I maybe relate to more. There's certain people that I kind of work better with or can communicate better with, and people that I inspire more. So people that are generally loud and bubbly and outgoing and that don't generally take to me as much. I'm an introvert myself. Like say, I could sit for a week kind of thinking and planning and plotting and worrying about the consequences of any of this, and that kind of overstimulation would just prevent me from taking a step forward. But that's not what I'm kind of doing now. What I want to do now is just show that introverts, quiet people, inwards thinkers, they can all do this. They can all create YouTube channels. So I've kind of renamed my channel now to John Davis Digital Introvert. And as I was doing it, I went to click on it, and it's a fairly simple process. I'll show you now. And what I will say is I'm taking no responsibility for anyone's actions here. So if you do this, don't take my word as gospel. Read it very, very carefully. YouTube gives you these ridiculously scary pictures that says, if you've already built your channel, it says this will now delete all of your videos. Now, I've just spent 100 days trying to create 100 videos in 100 days. I fell short of that, but I still had about 85, 86, something like that. Now, all that time, energy and effort that I've put in, I could have lost all my videos. And obviously, because I'm a simpleton, I don't back them up anywhere. I did have them on a laptop, but that laptop broke, so I don't back them up anywhere. So all them videos, all that time and effort, by one swift click of a YouTube button, I could delete the entire thing. So I read it again, and I read it again, and I kept reading it, and then with my heart absolutely racing, I hit the delete button, and it all went through smoothly. But there is something that you're going to lose, and I'll tell you that in a moment. So I'm going to jump into the laptop, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I am going to warn you again, whatever you do, make sure you reread the instructions and double check. If you really doubt it, if you don't want to take my word for it, or there's anything on your channel that's slightly different to mine, check with YouTube. I'm presuming you can raise support tickets with them, or they've got a forum that you can go on and post a question. But I'll show you what I did, and then hopefully that'll help you. And like I say, in a moment, I'll tell you the one thing that I lost that I'll have to kind of go back and maybe think about doing again. Okay, let's jump into it. Okay, so we're just going to go into the channel settings, and there's a few things that we want to look at here. So we're on the main menu, you can see there, that's my main channel. So I'm just going to click on the little avatar top right, and then go down to settings. And if we scroll down a little bit, halfway down somewhere, add or manage your channels. So you can see there, this John Davis Digital Interface has got no videos or anything. That's one that I've basically just created. And I'll show you what I did. You just click on create new channel and literally type in the name of your channel. That's all I did. So the channel I wanted to move to, my branded channel, I just created a new one. And you can see my current one there, my personal one. So what we're going to do now is, again, just click on the top right hand corner. And we're going to go to the settings again. And add or manage your channels. In fact, no, advanced settings, sorry. So advanced settings on the left hand side. And if you scroll down, so we've created our brand channel now. Now we want to move the channel to a brand account. So make sure you're logged in with the one that you want to move. So your original one, your personal account, the one we want to move. And then it'll come up and it'll ask you for all your Google details. Don't look now, my password's actually 16 stars, don't try it. Okay, so this part now tells us what it's going to change. It's going to move us from one account to another, and it gives you the option of deleting your channel. Now remember I said there was one thing that I lost, one thing I couldn't get back. Any previous comments that you've left on any videos, including your own, so any replies or any outreach you've done to help other people in the YouTube community, them comments will be lost. They'll stay there, but it'll be like an unmarked account. So that is the one thing that I lost, all of my comment history. So we just completed that, and that moved the channel.